Hey guys, so it's Lindsay and Danny Van Life. I'm Lindsay.
I'm Danny.
And we live in a van.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bruce. It's our 2018 Ram Promaster 3500 Extended.
This is our kitchen. We have a 3-burner stove. We also have an oven for that pizza. Also have tons of storage of kitchenware. We have pots, we have bowls, we have plates, we have cutlery, we have specials, you name it, we got it. We have a spice rack, as well as, 12 bottles like olive oil. And maybe not. We have an automatic water pump, 30 gallons fresh, 20 gallons gravy. And this is our fridge. It's off the floor. It's a 65 liter, as you can see. It lasts us around 1 to 2 weeks. We have a nice big sink so that we can do our dishes. We can store our dishes whenever we don't want to do them. We just want to dry off. As well, it's also where I kind of shave my legs. Dry storage. And this is where the family goes, number 2. Nature's Head compostable toilet. Cat door, cat box. Also where we have our trash and our recycling. Save the planet. We have an actual standard queen as well as a his and her dresser.
Here's our table for 3 where we like to smash some noodles, do some work, and play some Uno. Got a 12-gallon horizontally mounted propane tank under the van, and it lasts about a month to 3 months. A month in the winter, 3 months for the summer. Got shoes. Down here we have some fun stuff. We've got the water heater, the furnace, on-off switches for that, as well as the water pump. Here is the digital thermostat to the furnace. I like to set it at 68. And then this is a battery monitor for the solar system. A lot of power in this beast. We got 2 300-watt solar panels up top that come down to the electrical closet. In that electrical closet, we have a two actually, not one, 350 amp hour batteries. They're AGM. We also have a 2,000-watt Ames inverter charger and a 70 amp Victron charge controller, MPPT.
350 amp hour batteries, they're AGM. We also have a 2,000-watt Ames inverter charger and a 70 amp Victron charge controller, MPPT.
Welcome to our garage. It's a 4-seasons van, so we have a lot of things in the back, tons of storage. So backpacking gear, snowboarding, bike, a skateboard, ladder to fix and repair things, max tracks, chairs, tools, barbecue pit, disc golf. The list keeps going. Cut!